Anna. A snake is an egg, saw, scissors, hot dog, and heart. But first, egg. We get 2 eggs. First saw. And silver. It's good. It's silver and sorry, I'm coughing. I put it here and see it is okay. I put it in here and it's silver. Because it's first it and okay, he cut hot dog first. Hot dog. And sweetie, you cut hot dog first, and you put it in here. One more time, and hurrah! Hurrah! You put cheese. It's put it here. And
Open the door! Open the door!
okay, it put here. That's it. I put 100. Okay. What?
Mommy? What?
Okay. Oh yeah, he got it. He's doing it. Done. Put it there, hot dog. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you put it on the egg. This is so good. It's done. And you eat first. And I got thanks. Ready to turn brown. Okay, I throw it in. And put it there. Ready? Oh my God! Look at it! It's so sweet. Look. Oh, 1, 2. Oh my God! It turned up and down. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Turns up and down on there, and it's so deep. It's so beautiful. Put up and down, like this, like that, and you too, and like this. Okay, this is it. It's somebody. This is here. Okay, voila. It's okay. We turn it up, right? Okay, ready? I put it on the bread, and this is so easy. So it's put up again. Pick it up. And so it get born and it's so good. And so it is another table. He puts it there, like that. Okay, you can be that bigger. You or is it? Oh my God! You can choose. Hot. Don't put your hand on him. It's so hot. Really hot. It's so good. It's so good. And if you would think it's so good. Oh! Don't put your hand on there. Got it? And there. First. And it's so good for eat. Oh my God! Is this for food and for the eater? Ready? Okay, right here. Thank you, my sir. Thank you, the cookie. That is over here. And here, you keep it right. Bye. And it's already for bye.